Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Silvercrest Ice Maker. Ice cubes in minutes without pre-chilling. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manuals. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product. The handle goes here, left and right, press and it locks, so you can carry the ice maker wherever you want. We can see how it looks at the back. Here we have the fan, 120mm fan, and here we have the copper pipes. You can see clearly all the pipes. And inside we have the ice cube basket, plastic, and here it is the ice cube scoop. So let's take a look inside how it is. There's a small filter down at the bottom, and of course here it is the mechanism that is pulling the ice cubes. And of course, left and right, here, one here and another one here, it is the two sensors. And the cover. And of course here we have the buttons. Let's remove the film. Here we have the clean button to start the self-cleaning function. The button changes the ice cube size. And of course we have the on-off button here. And we have 4 indicators. Indicator small ice cubes making ice cubes, the indicator large ice cubes making ice cubes, the indicator ice cube basket is full, and indicator add water. Nice. So let's plug it in and start making ice cubes. And of course we have the cable, 2 meters cable, very convenient, I like that, the power cord. Very compact device, small, definitely it can fit to your kitchen countertop. And inside here are the tubes where the ice is made. We can clearly see, and it is 9 ice cubes every time. So how long it will take to make 9 ice cubes? Let's find out. Now let's plug it in. If I will press the start button, we can see in the mechanism it's trying to pump the water, so it doesn't have any water inside, and in a few seconds it will turn on the indicator add water. So let's do that. This is the maximum that you can add water down here. Choose to add cold water from your refrigerator, so you will help the old process. 1 liter, 1.2 liters. Start. And with this button I can choose the large or small ice cubes. So let's start with the small ice cubes. and then I can compare. Now it's pumping the water. This is the first time. So I can add more water at the maximum level if I want, since this is the first time and at the pipes there was no water. Now definitely I would like to see how long it will take to make the ice cubes for the small. And of course I need to add and the basket. The total water capacity is 1.3 liters and the ice cube basket 600 grams. 105 watts is the power consumption, and the production for 24 hours it is 11 to 12 kilograms of ice cubes. It's pulling down the mechanism right now. So the small ice cubes are ready. In about 5 minutes. Let's choose large ice cubes right now. And there you have it, in 7 minutes. And let's start over again. And now we can make a comparison, small and large ice cubes. Definitely I would like to see at the end how it looks. If you're tired of throwing parties only to realize you forgot to buy bags of ice, or if you're sick of wrestling with plastic ice trays that crack, this machine completely changes the game. It's incredibly fast, surprisingly quick, and small enough to sit comfortably next to your blender or coffee maker. For anyone who loves hosting backyard BBQs or just enjoys a perfectly chilled iced coffee every morning, it is worth every penny. It costs 85 euros. And we can see here the ice full indicator. We have some ice cubes, so just pull them and you can start. It will start automatically. I really like how fast it produces ice, the simple controls, and the compact design that fits easily on a kitchen counter without taking up too much space. If you found this video helpful in deciding whether this ice maker is right for you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on our kitchen appliance reviews, gadget tests, and practical home technology. Thanks for watching, stay cool, enjoy your drinks, and I'll see you in the next one.